Okay, to show a listing of all the Flatpaks you have installed on your system, open a terminal and type Flatpak list --app. And it'll show the name of all the apps on the left side, and then it will also show the application ID, which you will need to remove the Flatpaks. So to remove a Flatpak, type Flatpak uninstall --delete -data, and then the application ID of what you want to remove. I'm going to remove upscaler, so I will type in io.gitlab, etc. And even though you can see I've misspelled GitLab, this Flatpak uninstall command is going to understand what I want to delete. See, it found the one that's spelled correctly. So I'm going to enter yes. And then Y for yes. Okay, it asks for delete the data. Enter Y for yes. Okay, next type Flatpak uninstall --unused. And then enter Y for yes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.